Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get public beta on iPhone, only way. Go to Apple Beta website, sign in with your Apple ID, enroll your device profile, then download the beta through Settings General Software Update. Make sure you have a current backup and sufficient battery or a charger connected. Expect occasional bugs and frequent updates while you test new features. Start by signing into the Apple Beta program with your Apple ID, then enroll the specific device you want to test. Download and install the beta profile from the official site and follow prompts to allow the profile. Restart your iPhone, then check Settings General Software Update to download the beta build. Keep your device backed up and on Wi-Fi for a smooth download and installation process. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for long testing sessions and desk work. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. It pairs well with late-night beta installs and debugging breaks. Now let's get back to the video. Before installing, back up your iPhone to iCloud or your computer so you can restore if something goes wrong. Understand that beta software can cause app crashes, reduced battery life, and occasional data hiccups. If you need to revert, use your backup and restore through Finder or iTunes, and remove the beta profile to return to public releases. Stay patient and report bugs to help improve the final update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.